नमस्कार। अशोक दास गपसप रे अध्याय को आपको स्वागत।
गपसप 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 गपसप
आज आम गपसप करवा पणस विषय रे। यही ऋतुरते आपण मैंने निश्चय पणस खाइबे। पणस जहाँ कंचारे परिबा आउ पाचिले फल। तेबे सबु दृष्टि यही पणस जे आम केते उपकारी और लाभजनक ता हुए तो आम पूरा मात्रा रे जानूना। आज आमको गपसप रे ए संपर्क रे कहिबे केरल जड़े सांबादिक श्री पाद्रे। श्री पाद्रे पणस पई दीर्घ वर्ष धरी कार्य करुछंती। आउ पणस केमिति सारा देश रे तार मान्यता पाइब सेथिपई तांकर जो काम मु मध्य सेथिरे किछटा अनुप्राणित।
अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे को उड़ीसा के होल सिनेरियो के बारे में ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा श्रीनिवास जी है, पेटिकम श्रीनिवास जी, वी हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टॉक टू सम ऑफ द पीपल। वन न्यूज़ आई केम टू नो दैट वाज न्यूज़ फॉर मी दैट in Orissa this firm flesh jackfruit is very minuscule, and there are about 10 districts which is having lot of jackfruit production, but nothing is happening. It's all tribal districts. But one plus point I have seen here in Odisha is that there is slowly a pressure group is emerging. There is a wonderful WhatsApp group, Jackfruit Forever. There are people who have started discussing about jackfruit. This hasn't happened in many of the states. And today, whatever it is, it was Meghalaya which first floated a jackfruit mission. Now Odisha has started a jackfruit mission. Just by starting, nothing happens that way. Somebody has to keep pressure. Somebody have, some dedicated work has to be done. Odisha, if I understand, ये क्या है जो ये बरखा जो है सॉफ्ट फ्लैश ये ज़्यादा है, तो बरखा से क्या क्या हो सकती है वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्शन। आई वुड लाइक टू पॉइंट आउट 3 थिंग्स। वन इज पल्प मेकिंग। ये पल्प अगर कर दिया तो ये 6 महीना उसका शेल्फ लाइफ ज़्यादा होता है, और पल्प एक ऐसा सेमी प्रोसेस्ड प्रोडक्ट है, इसमें से हंड्रेड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आइसक्रीम कर सकते हैं। लेकिन पल्प बनाना और पल्प को मार्केट क्रिएट करना, ये दोनों 2 चीज है, दोनों पर जोर देना है। केरला का एग्जाम्पल है हमारे फ्रंट में, एक ही पल्प। दूसरी तो वर्ल्ड वांट्स टेंडर जैकफ्रूट इन आइदर सेमी प्रोसेस्ड फॉर्म और एंड प्रोसेस्ड फॉर्म। इफ यू आर रेडी, इफ योर इंडस्ट्रीज आर रेडी to make a product that will suit to taste of Germans, UK people, they are ready to give you samples. White label production चाहिए उसको, ये सब कुछ काम करना है, इसके कुछ dedicated work है। That's ये जो 15 all the 12 months one has to work on this, and tender jackfruit has a tremendous potential, and your tender jackfruit can do, can make lot of difference, because as a vegetable, even if you compare it with all the other forms, see jackfruit has 5 raw material in one. एक तो tender jackfruit है, दूसरी slightly grown up whose seeds are still sweet, that is second one, you can make stir fry and all that. Third one is green jackfruit, from which this jackfruit 365 chips गरे बनाते हैं और powder बनाते हैं. Number 4 is fruit, वो टेबल पर्पस की एक की प्रोडक्ट है नंबर 4, and number 5 is seed. Unfortunately today, in whole of the world, all the jackfruit growing countries are still not able to do justice about seeds. What are seeds? When you put money, when you invest money, 30% goes to the seeds. What are you going to do with the seeds? Seed is a wonderful product. We haven't. से पहले तो 10 या 5 महीने पहले मेरे से कोई लोग ये पूछते थे, हम कैटल फूड बनाए तो क्या होगा सीड से। मैंने कहा, अगर इंसान इसका इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं समझते तो पशुओं को खाने देना कोई बात नहीं। जब तक इंसान ह्यूमन बीइंग स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट, नाउ लुक देयर इन हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, व्हाई नॉट? वन जेंटलमैन हैज फ्लोटेड ए बिग इंडस्ट्री व्हिच मेक्स जैकफ्रूट सीड फ्लोर, and they are buying for 25 rupees from whole state. And what he is doing, his main product is jackfruit seed powder. There are some issues. If the jackfruit is cut, there will be some smooth formation, fungus and all that. It has to be manually graded. All challenges are there, But he has shown that seed can be a good industry. And where does it go? It goes to many food processing industries, which industries that is still a little bit secret. But jackfruit seed is a great resource. So see, there are lessons here and there. So we need not worry, Orissa need not worry that it doesn't have much of firm flesh jackfruit. मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ ये जो फर्म फ्लैश आपके पास माने कापा बहुत कम है, ये एक बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी है। आप कुछ वैरायटीज़ को इधर ट्रायल कर सकते हैं और जो किसान अच्छे हार्ड फ्रेश्ड जैकफ्रूट टेबल पर्पस वाला तो इधर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो हॉट केक जैसा जाएगा। तो क्या होना है, ये तो एक दिन में होने वाला काम नहीं है। ट्रेनिंग देना, हैंड होल्डिंग, ये दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। हमारा जो रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशंस है वो ट्रेनिंग देते हैं और आंकड़े भी कहते हैं, लेकिन हैंड होल्डिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एटलीस्ट फॉर 2 years. I said, let them start in a small way. We have n number of stories today in Kerala. Look here in our own area, one young boy, he goes to festivals and exhibitions only, and he has only one product. It's not pre-prepared product. He sells jackfruit milkshake, 50 rupees a glass, and everybody who drinks that says, this is wonderful. I went to a conference the other day. Then somebody came and, Padreji, before you go, you drink that milkshake and go. I made a story out of it. He says, sir, I made 70,000 rupees in 2 days. So it is your imagination, hard work, research. He is not ready to compromise. Why that, my dear sir? Jack seed milkshake. ये जो बी है ना फनस का, 5 या 6 बी लेके उसको कुक करो, उसका वो जो प्लास्टिक जैसा वो जो छिलका है उसको उतारो और उसको मिक्सी में डालो। अब बाद में इतना क्या है, मिल्क डालो और शुगर या जैगरी डालो। 5 या 6 जैकफ्रूट सीड से एक मिल्क शेक, यू हैव टू टेस्ट इट वंस। इफ समबडी मेक्स जैकफ्रूट मिल्क शेक एट होम, इट नीड्स ओनली 15 minutes. He will never throw seeds again. And why can't, if we ask Padmini Chashi, she will tell how to make it industrial product. This is all possible. And you know, there my friend from Hawaii, one Ken Lau, he's an international fruit expert. He is a mad jackfruit lover. He tells me always, look there in some countries there is a this biwa. Biwa is what is biwa is Lakot fruit. There is a museum wherein around 600 value-added products of this biwa fruit is exhibited and being sold. And he says, if you Indians care and make products from jackfruit and keep it in a museum, it can be a world record. So, क्या है, हम कैसा? So first, this is a question of mindset of our bureaucrats, mindset of our agriculture ministers. Unfortunately, let me straightly tell, the kind of horticulturists, maybe horticulture professors in the colleges, university, and research scientists, 90% of them don't have a clear idea of the kind of rural economy augmentation jackfruit can do now. I will give you a very small example. Bangalore, the first, thanks to Dr. Narayana Gowda, the first India's first jackfruit growers association was floated in 2008. At that time, they made a small survey. They were earning 3 lakh rupees. The whole community, I mean that Hubli area, they were earning around 3 lakh rupees. Now, come after 10 years, 10-12 years, their earning is 27 lakh rupees, and they have learned to peel out this bulb and sell it in the market. They have made money. So, wherever you see, today there is no supply chain. Jackfruit is there. That doesn't mean jackfruit doesn't have demand. You bring it to a place where there is demand. Supply chain is not there. Database is not there. Proper hygiene is not there. You like Malaysia, if you just, what a wonderful varieties of jackfruit we have. Recently, this red flesh jackfruit has got big publicity. Today, 8 lakh grafts of red flesh jackfruit has been planted throughout India. And the kind of money by selling that this graft, that farmer, he has earned around 30-40 lakhs. So people are after varieties. People have, the awareness is increasing. People are eating fruit. There is a friend in Bangalore. He has cultivated jackfruit in 50 acres. And one of the things probably he has done, which no Indian farmer has done, is he is selling whatever jackfruit he has grown with the name of the variety jackfruट. लाइक आप जो अल्फांसो और सिंधु बेचते हैं ना मार्केट में या सुपर मार्केट में, अल्फांसो 2 kg ऐसा लिखते हैं ना, आप आम तो थोड़ी लिखते. तो ये जैकफ्रूट जो उसका जो वॉचमैन को जो स्लिप देना है वो कंप्यूटराइज प्रिंट में एक लिखते हैं, ये सिद्धू 5 kg, शंकरा 4 kg एंड देन this Deng Surya 10 kg like that. And for Deng Surya, one of the very interesting factors, he has done a research, he is a MSc, Ashok Kumar from Bangalore, says the Deng Surya, that red flesh jackfruit, you make dosa from the raw jackfruit, you make papad from the raw jackfruit, it remains red only. What a beautiful color combination. So, opportunities are there. It has to be grabbed. And this one word I want to caution my dear Indian friends, Kerala friends, Jack friends. If we go on sleeping the way we have been doing, in another 10 years, small countries with smaller productions like Sri Lanka, Taiwan and all, like the proverbial rabbit, getting first prize in the chase, that is going to happen. It is high time you give importance, you realize your food. The West is calling jackfruit as a superfood कहते हैं.
सतरे पणस फूड नुहे बरं सुपर फूड. यह खाइले देह को हित, चाष कले चाषी को लाभ, आउ प्रक्रियाकरण करी छोट बड़ उद्योग प्रतिष्ठा कले लाभ ही लाभ. वास्तविक सांबादिक श्री पाद्रेंकर यही चिंताधारा को ओडिशा रे आमे रूपायित करि पारले विभिन्न क्षेत्र रे आमर केवल लाभ ही लाभ होता. आज पई एतिकी. पुणी देखा हेब अशोक दास गपसप्र आगामी अध्याय रे. नमस्कार.
Gopasapa, 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 Gopasapa.